Returning your T-Mobile 5G gateway involves a few key steps. First, ensure you're within the return window, typically 30 days from activation. Contact T-Mobile through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-937-8997. Request a return authorization. Provide your order details and reason for return, such as coverage issues or device malfunction. T-Mobile will then email or provide a prepaid, pre-printed shipping label. Pack the gateway securely, power it off, and reset it to factory settings to avoid damage. Drop it off at a UPS store or authorized facility. Remember that returns are only accepted with a valid T-Mobile-generated label. Returning your gateway can affect your bill. Expect prorated billing, meaning you'll only pay for the service you used. A restocking fee, typically between $10 and $50, may apply, but it's usually waived for defective items. If you're canceling your 5G home internet plan within a contract period, early termination fees up to $100 might be charged. Refunds are issued to your original payment method, usually within 3 to 5 billing cycles. For leased gateways, monthly charges will cease upon return approval. Keep an eye on your account, as billing adjustments usually occur within 14 days of T-Mobile receiving the returned gateway.